Analyzing Solana on a 2-hour frame with AI's insights. Learn his style with 130 plus indicators, quick and concise, clearing the view. Left side shows his telegram. AI systematically analyzes the market, capturing screenshots. We're getting used to his analysis style. Since he's used over 130 indicators, it makes for an engaging analysis. It's quick and simple. Let's dive into our analysis. I need to find a clear spot. We can see his Telegram channel. The market analysis is being done by AI, and it works by taking a screenshot. The AI analyzes it using the indicators we have. Plus, there's the AI from Facebook and Copilot. I detailed how it works in a previous video, so if you're interested, check it out online. I want to show you one of his analyses so we can look at the latest analysis on Solana today, which is the 6th of day. He is analyzing the market with a drunken mind, and his systematic approach is such that he takes a screenshot. ChatGPT analyzes with Facebook AI and Copilot. Check previous videos for details. Let's review Solana's analysis for the 6th of day. The Solana chart is for a 2-hour frame. ADX shows a weak or neutral trend at 19 and 29. Positive DI is 14 and 44. Negative DI is 23, indicating neutrality as it needs to be above or below 25 to show a trend. Avoid trend following strategies when ADX is below 25 due to a weak market trend. I'll add the ADX indicator to the screen. See the Solana chart and the ADX indicator at 19 and 29 showing a weak or neutral trend. Positive DI is at 14 and 44, negative DI at 23, leaning neutral. ADX below 25 suggests a weak trend. Avoid trend following strategies. ADX is currently at 18. ADX above 25 indicates a trend. Positive and negative DI show direction. It's a good trend indicator. The negative 25 indicates a trend. When the ADX is below 25, the trend is weak, and trend following strategies should be avoided. It's currently at 18. An ADX above 25 indicates a trend. For the second part, we have the RSI and Stochastic Indicators. The RSI is close to oversold. ADX above 25 shows a trend, with the eyes indicating direction. Sharp drops or rises increase this number. A ranging market keeps it low. It's a useful trend indicator. For the second part, RSI and Stochastic help find overbought or oversold areas. RSI is 37.34, close to oversold but not below 30. Stochastic is 949. This suggests a potential short-term upward reversal. Traders should watch for confirmation signals. The second part of my analysis is here. What RSI Stochastic wrote for us here is to find the overbought or oversold zone. It said that RSI was at 37.34, and since it is not below 30, it is not considered oversold, but it is close to that range. And regarding Stochastic 949, the final message or recommendation is that this level indicates that the market may be preparing for a short-term Saudi comeback. Traders should pay attention to signs of Saudi confirmation. He says we're in a zone nearly oversold, so it might bounce back. Check the chart. You learn much. No need to trade. You get it. You understand when things happen. You know. RSI was 37. Now around 36. Below 30, it's oversold. RSI suggests checking Stochastic. Stochastic RSI is 1.72 to 7. It shows a crossover. Below 20 crossover suggests upward reversal. AI analyzed correctly. It's doing well. A crossover below 20 suggests a potential upward reversal. The AI has analyzed these correctly, showing it's effective. Moving to section 3, it's about EMAs, SMAs, etc., with numbers noted. Comparing EMA and SMA involves many factors. His final recommendation: traders should seek selling opportunities or short positions unless a strong reversal signal appears. A strong reversal signal means a solid green light, like this. The analysis of moving averages in section 3 is always about the EMAs, SMAs, and so on, with the numbers written down. This part is quite lengthy because if I were to throw in the EMA and SMA, it's comparing 50 different things together. In the end, I just want to share his final recommendation. He said it's better for traders to look for selling opportunities or short positions, unless they see a strong reversal signal. What does a strong reversal signal mean? So, it's a bit of a green light. You know what I mean? Like this. The Keltner channel is right, showing strong volume, indicating a short position. ADX has shown a weak trend, while RSI and Stochastic show possible upward reversal. EMAs indicate continued downward trend. Key indicators like MACD, momentum, and CCI are considered. MACD at minus 1.27 indicates sell signal. CCI at 20, showing 20 candles with minus 123, indicates oversold state. CCI aligns with Stochastic and RSI, confirms bearish sentiment. Market momentum at minus 8,246 indicates strong downward and possible upward. It tells us MACD at minus 1.27 signals sell. CCI at 20 indicates oversold. CCI aligns with Stochastic and RSI, confirming bearish sentiment. Market momentum at minus 8,246 shows strong downward movement. Indicators signal mix sell and buy. ADX indecisive. We might range, creating a base for recalibration. Price action will adjust indicators. Negative 8,246 shows mixed signals. ADX indecision means likely range. Range allows recalibration. Price adjusts. This is how some indicators sell, some indicators buy, and, most importantly, ADX, which tells the trend, is in a state of uncertainty, meaning that we are going to make a range, unless the opposite is confirmed. In such cases, the scenario is probably that now we will make a range here for a while, make a dip. Make a dip until these indicators come to their senses, meaning that the price will cause this indicator to. Their uncle is not a woman, their uncle is a woman. And now, it's showing signs of a trend change. Solana is currently in this state. Regarding support and resistance levels, it hasn't considered the classic Fibonacci, Camarilla, and Woody levels, but that's okay. It mentioned 160, 161, and 165 as support levels, all below the current price of 168.27. This area is indicated as support, with 214 as resistance. It hasn't considered the classic Fibonacci, Camarilla, and Woody levels for us, but that's okay. It mentioned 160, 161, and 165 as support levels. The important thing is that all of these are below the current price and significantly lower, around 168.27, which is over here. The Fibonacci and Camarilla levels are slightly higher, setting 165 aligns with around 161. This area is support, with 214 as resistance. It indicates 214, 215.41, and 295 where Camarilla is. These are approximate key points identified by AI. The recommendation suggests 194 as a psychological resistance near the classic pivot. This could be a point for short-term trades or short positions. To be clearer, we have the divisive and 14, the divisive 14, the 5 and 6, the divisive 15, the 41, the SAD and the Navid and 5, which is also possible. The Camarilla here is saying the same thing. I won't go into detail now, but I'll give you an estimate. These are the key points. 194 is a key psychological resistance level. This level could be for short-term trades. It might reach 194. If it hits 191 and drops, close long positions. For shorts, wait and see. It's almost 6 p.m. Let's see what happens. If it breaks 168.7, it could drop further. The market might drop to lower supports. If it hits 91 and drops, close your long position. To short, wait and see. Check results in the video. It's almost 6 p.m. Let's see what happens next. If it breaks 168.7, it could drop further to lower support levels. The market might move down. It might go lower. The key suggestion is using this section, which, if 168.7 breaks, stars and poles break too, market may move from lower support. Summary: 130 indicators and styles are grouped. It asks, what's the market condition? Bearish or bullish? Analysis shows market is bearish, not extremely oversold. Risk-tolerant traders can buy with short stop loss and proper risk management. Not in heavy downtrend. Might set up a range. Take a small long position. Important supports suggest a bounce back. Scenario: it could return here. Green and white scenarios exist. Timing is key, like a profit signal. AI analyzed everything. Don't base your life on this. Traders can look for buying opportunities with a short stop loss and proper risk management, indicating we're not in a heavy downtrend. They might set up a range, allowing for a small long position. Important supports suggest a potential bounce back. There are different scenarios, and timing is crucial. This AI has analyzed everything, but don't base your life on it. The analysis covers 78 top cryptocurrencies daily. This robot is like the market's eye, part of the AI system I explained. It's a new product on our Trading Robots site. Check it out. The link is in the video caption. This AI analyzes everything. Don't rely entirely on this. It outputs 78 analyses daily on top cryptocurrencies. This robot is the market's eye, the AI explained. It's a new product on our Trading Robots site. Check the link in the video caption. Search on our site. This analysis generates 78 daily reports on top cryptocurrencies. The robot is the market's eye. The AI I mentioned, it's now on our Trading Robots site. Check it out. Link in the video caption. It's 979 tomans, about $17. You've been a member for a year, and you'll stay as long as the channel exists. Check the details. It's analyzing these coins, sending reports. Some are on YouTube. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Here, it's 979 tomans, about $17. You've been a member of this channel for a year now. And as long as this channel exists, you'll be a member. Come check out the complete details here. It's currently working on these coins, sending you these analyses like this, and you can see them. Some of them I also post on YouTube, so everyone can benefit together. Thanks for your time. Take care, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.